Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited. We're going to be playing around with the new Colourpop Land collection. The major product of this collection is of course the palette. This is just a close-up of the palette. Super adorable. It has the candy castle on there and sprinkles and gumdrops and all kinds of fun graphics, and I was really excited for this palette. And here's just the close-up of the palette. So it features 10 different pastel shades. Really pretty, and I do really love the names as well. So this is the close-up packaging of the gloss. Really cute and adorable. I actually really love it. But here's the actual packaging of the roller gloss. Super cute. Throwing me back to the good old young days. I'm hoping it shows up, but here is just a close-up of the Jolly blush. So I actually did swatch this palette, so I'm not going to swatch it for the video, but I will definitely put the picture in this video somewhere so you guys can see. So I do really like all the colors that were chosen for this palette. I do kind of wish they threw like a blue in there, just because they have the sprinkles on there with blue. I feel like that would have just kind of like, you know, completed the palette. So here are just a couple swatches on my fingers so you guys can get an idea. I was super excited for this collection because I always loved Candyland growing up. It was absolutely like one of my favorite games. So when I did see they were coming out with this, I was like, yes, I need this in my life. So the palette retails for $18, the blushes retail for $9, and the roller glass also retails for $9. Alright, so if you guys want to see how I got this look as well as what I thought of the collection, then let's just get to it. So I'm going to be taking my Doll 10 Transition Transformer brush. Love their brushes, and we're gonna go into the shade Candyland, a really pretty soft pink shade. It does look like it has a little bit of sparkle in it too, which is nice but very faint. So we're gonna start out with that as our kind of like transition color. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it's a very faint pink shade. It does look really pretty though, but it's definitely really soft. Next, taking that same brush, I'm going to go into Candy Crush. We're going to kind of apply this in the outer corner of the eye. The shade is super pigmented, so definitely dust it off. Oh yeah, this one's definitely showing up. Super pretty. Kind of just sweeping it inward, very lightly. Most of the product though, most of the color is going to be on the outer portion, but I'm just sweeping the excess product inward. And we're going right above the crease in that like V motion. Taking it inward to the outer part of our eye. Alright, next I'm just going to use the same brush and we're going to go into Grandma Nut. We're going to go into Grandma Nut. And I'm going to apply it below the color we just applied on this outer portion because I'm going to apply a different color inward. So yeah, we're just going to kind of keep it on the outer parts. So this color is super pigmented as well, so we're just going to dust it off a little bit. Applying it on the inner portion. Super pretty peachy shade. A darker peachy shade, but super pretty. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe and Jacqueline JH41 flat shader brush, and we're going to go into the shade Rainbow Trail. Just applying this on the inner part where we didn't put any color yet. This green is really showing up. It's so pretty. These colors like remind me of sherbet. I don't know if you guys have ever had that, but it's so good, and I probably haven't had it in years, but it just makes me think of it, and now I'm craving some. Okay, I'm just going to take this random Luxie brush that I just grabbed, and we're going to go into the shade Cravings, really pretty soft yellow, and I'm going to apply it to the inner corners. Okay, I'm just going to take a Morphe M321 brush. I'm going to go on Sugar High and apply it over top of the yellow we just applied. I'm spraying this brush with my Slay All Day setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics, and this is just going to make it pop a little bit more. So I'm also going to just apply some below my brow bone. Okay, so next I'm just going to apply some of this plumpy purple shade to my lower lash line. Just taking that Morphe M321 brush. Alright, next I'm just going to apply some mascara and lashes. I'll be right back. So I'm back. I applied some lashes. My lashes are from Dodo Lashes. I don't remember the exact name, so I will link that below or somewhere in the video. And for my liner, I applied the new NYX Epic Wear liner, and this is in the shade Periwinkle Pop. For my mascara, I applied Doll 10's Illegal Eyes mascara. Love this mascara, it's one of my favorites. So I totally forgot when I was doing my makeup that I had a blush from this collection. So we're gonna kind of just pop it over top of the blush we have on now. But I picked up one of the blushes in Jolly. Love the yellow packaging. So this blush kind of reminds me of like a marbled effect. It's like a deeper peach with some like champagne in it. I'm just gonna apply it with my random cheek brush that I got at like Marshall's. And we're just gonna dip into it lightly. It smells so good. It smells like fruity, like fruit candy. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this smell. So I definitely noticed a difference. It kind of like deepened my blush a little bit. Really, really a pretty deep peach shade. Kind of goes with that, that eye shade. And it smells so good, so I'm super excited for this. So I'm just going to apply some of the shade Kimichi Doll. It's from Gerard Cosmetics. Now we're going to apply some of the Princess Lally Roller Gloss. Super cute packaging. I love it. This is like one of those roller glosses. It reminds me of like when I was younger I had glosses like this. My lips are like so dry right now. I need to do like an overnight mask. So yeah, pretty much took off most of my lipstick, but it feels really cool and cooling, really cool and cooling on the lips. Too much of the gloss doesn't really come out though, honestly. So I'm actually just gonna apply more of this lipstick. More like hydrated now though that the Princess Lolly is there. Alright, so this is the finished look. Overall, I really do like the palette. All of the shades are really pigmented. The blush is really nice, smells amazing. The roller gloss I feel like is just for fun, but it does feel pretty cool on the lips. So yeah, I am loving this collection. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and until my next one, bye!